You'll grab the waters.
I'm just about to.
Time to venture out and take care of the rabbits. Gonna give them some fresh straw and thawed out water bottles. It is like -4 right now. We've got about 5.4 inches of snow.
I figured we're probably about 8. take the little V4 out in the shop. Make it breathe. Oh, we got a good 8 inches at least.
Just since we were out here yesterday.
Heck yeah.
Okay, we got all the rabbit waters changed, swapped out, and they were thirsting to death. We'll get these thawed out, ready for a few hours from now. We can swap it back out. Okay, that's our first round of changing out rabbit waters that were frozen and filling them up with straw.
Kathy makes it easy.
And pellets. And first round yesterday, Brian went out by himself. And I said, well, I will suit up. I will go with you. We'll get it done twice as fast.
Yep.
It didn't take us but a few minutes. And my fingers are frozen. And I'm wearing thick gloves. It's horrible. I'm going to check and see how much snow we've gotten right now. Brian says he thinks it's probably about 7 to 8 inches, but I will put that on the screen when I upload this video. Okay, thank you guys for watching on our first morning round of tending to the rabbits. So you saw us go into a building. We've got 2 rabbits in the garage. One that's got 9 kits that are a week old, and then one that is pregnant, due any day. We've got those 2 inside the garage with a heater in front of them, with a blanket draped. Most of the hutch is draped with a blanket. But we left the camera on the front porch because it was just too much to try to video what we were doing while we're trying to do it, and we're trying to get it done fast. So anyway, and then we tended to all the rabbits that are out in the hutch behind the black tarp. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, I believe, in behind the black tarp. We've got a mama with babies that are 5 weeks old in there, but they're doing great. They were just really thirsty. They will drink those bottles up really quick. And we'll probably go out in about 3 hours because they'll probably be frozen and they'll probably be thirsty again. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.